Everyone, welcome back to my channel. And if you remember, I changed up my wallpaper. As you can see here, I did it like a blue themed wallpaper, and with that I also made a few changes here and there to my whole to the whole appearance for the laptop, and I'll show you what all I did. And yeah, let's get started. So first what I did, I don't know if you can notice, but I made it like a, the taskbar like a bit, what to say, blue tinted. It's like a dark grayish blue color. I'll show you how I did it. So for that you have to go to settings. I'll do that now. Okay, so here we have settings, and now what you have to do is go to personalization right here. Okay, so here I've clicked personalization. So I've clicked colors here and I've scrolled down like that, and here you can see the option called Windows color. You can choose any color you want. Like if you have a theme going on, like I have a blue theme going on, so I picked blue. So what this will do is, as you can see, when I have this settings app open and I have this blue colored outline going on, the same will happen when you have any app open. It will have that colored outline around it. So for example, if I click red, I'll show you. As you can see, it changed its color to like a maroonish red color, and when I do that, as you can see, it has a red outline. So I'm just gonna choose this one. I have the color sea foam right now, and you can also enable this option, show accent color on the following surfaces. I enabled that, so it can show that accent color on everything. And yeah, that's what I did first. Okay, so the next thing that I changed is my Google Chrome appearance. If you have this web browser, you can stay here, I guess. I don't know if you remember, but I had this, like my logo as the background picture, and it was not very pleasing for the eyes. So I decided to change it up when I had changed my wallpaper. So what I did was I clicked this customize button, and as you can see, Google itself shows a lot of picture to customize this background. So you can click any of this picture and Google will automatically set it as your background for your Google Chrome web browser. I did not choose any of these. What I did was went to color and theme. As you can see, it shows a lot of themes. So I chose this theme right here. If you have like a rose gold or / pink theme, you can choose this one, or this one. You can even create your own theme. So what I did was that, I'll show you one for example. As you can see, it goes like this. Now let me redo that. Okay, so that's what I did. And I really tried to minimize the amount of bookmarks and all of these things right here. So I only have YouTube and YouTube Studio because that's the most searched item, like thing on Google Chrome. So yeah, that's what I did, and that's pretty much all for this video. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the subscribe button and the notification button so that you get notified every time I post a new video. Bye.